Hi guys! Welcome to Cake Minutes by G. On this video, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano gumawa ng chicken arroz caldo. At ito ang ating mga sangkap na kakailanganin. 1 cup sticky rice or malagkit na bigas, half cup of rice, 1/2 kilo chicken strips, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, ginger strips, 1 teaspoon saffron or kasubha, 2 chicken bouillon, eggs, olive oil, at fish sauce. Kakailanganin din natin ng 7 cups of water at toasted garlic. Let's start! Let us boil the egg on medium heat around 8 minutes. While waiting for the eggs to cook, we can start sauteing the rest of the ingredients. Sa isang malaking pot, put a little amount of olive oil, pwede ring sunflower oil or vegetable oil or corn oil. Saute the onion first. Stir until the onions becomes translucent, then you can add the garlic. Ginagawa ko to para maiwasan natin ang pagkasunog ng bawang. Isunod ang ginger o luya. After a couple of seconds, pwede na nating isunod ang chicken strips o yung hiniwa-hiwang karne ng manok. Let us just continue cooking this until we see that the chicken strips turns into white color. It means luto na po yung manok. At this moment, makikita niyong luto na yung manok. Pwede na nating ihalo ang ating sticky rice o yung malagkit na bigas, pati na rin ang ating rice. Haluin lang natin ng konti at pagkatapos, we will add our 7 cups of water. Once we added the water, don't forget to mix and scrape the bottom of the pot para maiwasan nating dumikit ang ating mga bigas sa ilalim ng pot. Hintayin lang nating mag-simmer o yung kumulo lang siya ng konti. At kapag nag-simmer na siya, pwede na nating ihalo ang ating saffron or kasubha. At pwede na rin nating idagdag ang iba pang mga pampalasang sangkap, kagaya ng fish sauce, at chicken bouillon. Mix lang natin ng konti at pagkatapos pwede na natin itong takpan. We'll just let this boil until rice is cooked around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes of boiling, at this point, luto na po yung rice. Now, this is ready to serve. Maglalagay lang ako sa isang serving bowl, top with sliced cooked egg, at i-garnish ko ng toasted garlic. And here it is guys, my simple chicken arroz caldo. Give it a thumbs up kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating video. Don't forget to subscribe.